Here we are for another video. This is going to be a really quick one of trimming the trees around the house. The branches themselves go over onto the roof and they've messed up some shingles in the past. So I want to get that taken care of now. I'll be using a pole saw to do so. It's probably not that dramatic in the video, but it looks a whole lot better to me and keeps me safe for insurance. I got a letter on this house one time where they were saying it was too many branches overhanging the house. And they weren't even big. These are just little branches with some leaves. They would do no damage. It's funny, you can have this gigantic tree beside the house. They don't have a problem with that, but they have a problem with a little small branch hanging over the roof. I'm not the kind of person who would call insurance unless something major happened. I've only ever had one insurance claim on a house because a car crashed into the porch. And I did tell my insurance because I didn't think the person's car insurance was going to cover it. But it didn't go anywhere, so I didn't actually have to make a claim on mine. I just called my local person. But let's take a look at it from the ground to get the comparative shots from the first shots. It was the first application, then I pressure washed it after it sat on there for a while, and then I sprayed it on again, and then let it sit and pressure washed off just the treads, and now I just sprayed on some more. And, the first time it was diluted with water and purple power, but much cleaner. Moving in the right direction. Some of this could be stains that the bleach will not take out, but I'm gonna just leave this on there. I'm not even gonna wash this off. I'm just gonna let it see how far it bleaches out. You know, some of these really cleaned off areas would be preferable, but when you come around to the stringer looks new. And you can see up underneath as well. You know, all that looks great. I mean, it never looked this good when I lived here. Went ahead and kind of blasted off up in these areas, shot my door off, even though it doesn't look perfectly clean. Still need that 4x4, some bracing right there to make everything stiffer. But looking good.